Hey, what's up my friends? This is Matthew Hamill with Local Contractor Blueprint. This video is going to be a pitch. I'm trying to sell you something. So just be warned, but I think it's pretty cool and I think it's something that you're gonna really like. So hear me out for a second. What I wanted to do, because I get a lot of people who reach out to me for private coaching and asking me about a course or workshop or anything like that, and I've gotten enough people to ask that I think it's about time that I actually do this. So what I wanted to do, and it's going to be on November 17th, it's going to be a one-day workshop and where we're going to go over a couple of things. Number one, how to generate 10 to 20 high quality leads in your local territory. So within your local city or your county, how to get 10 to 20 of those guys coming into your system every single month. And the second thing I want to go through, which is really, really important, is how to disqualify shitty leads as fast as you possibly can without being a jerk and without wasting a ton of your time. If you've been in the business long enough, you understand that homeowners will rape you for your time. They will steal so much time from you. It's ridiculous to try to get as much free shit from you as they possibly can. I don't know about you, but I would rather lose money than time. I don't want to lose money, but you know what I'm saying? You can't get time back. You can always get money back, right? So how to disqualify these people as fast as possible and get them out of your system, out of your pipeline without being a jerk, and even get some 5-star reviews from people you've disqualified. It's happened to us. It's funny, but there's some very simple strategies that can help you make that a smooth process. The next thing we're going to cover is how to close more high quality deals from the leads that are coming in your territory. So we're going to go over the follow-up sequences that we use, all the software that we use, all the automation that we use, all of the call tracking, the automated emails, the text messages. We're going to go through all of that to make sure that once we have a qualified lead that they do not slip through the cracks and that you absolutely deliver to them everything that they can afford, right? So we're gonna go over those 3 things, plus I have some bonuses for you. And I've just got this stuff written down here. So the first bonus is gonna be 4 one-on-one implementation calls. The calls are gonna be 45 minutes each, and it's gonna be me working with you one-on-one to make sure that the stuff that you learn in the workshop is implemented into your business, so that way we can get you generating leads and sales as fast as possibly can. The second bonus that I have here is my YouTube course. So I've been able to leverage YouTube to get a ton of views, pretty decent amount of subscribers, which has generated me thousands of leads, and YouTube has been responsible for hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales over the years, just by sticking to some key principles and getting those YouTube videos to rank locally for the money keywords, right? The keywords that actually generate the phone calls or generate the leads that translate into dollars. I'm not into vanity metrics. I don't care how many subscribers you have. I don't care how many views you have. It doesn't matter. As long as that video is creating leads for you, that's all that matters. So I want to give that course to you for free. How I shot the videos, how I edited the videos, how I put them up on YouTube. There's a very specific way that YouTube needs your videos to be formatted and uploaded in order for them to show up in the search engines, both on Google and within the YouTube search engine. Plus, I'll show you a hack that will allow you to speed up the process of getting views and getting rankings on every single YouTube video you do. So I'm gonna give that course away to you for free. And then the last bonus I'm gonna give you is lifetime access to our local contractor inner circle. This is where we all come together. We throw our problems in. I'm in the group, I'm helping as much as I possibly can, but there's a lot of leaders in the group that can answer questions as well. So if you're struggling with lead generation or sales, hiring the right people, firing the wrong people, expansion, things like that, there's a lot of people in this group that have years of experience and millions of dollars worth of sales and business experience behind them to help you grow your company as fast and as profitable as possible. So again, just to recap, we have a one-day workshop coming up. It is on November 17th. That's gonna go over lead generation, disqualification, conversion, how to turn more of these leads into high dollar sales for your company. Plus we've got the bonuses, the 4 one-on-one implementation calls, the YouTube course, which I'm giving away for free, and then the lifetime access to the inner circle. Now, all of this stuff is gonna cost you one payment of $997. So it's $1,000 to get access to all of this information, get access to one-on-one time with me to make sure that we get your business running properly, to start getting you everywhere in all places at all times. So there's multiple ways for people to find you. So $1,000, one-day workshop, November 17th, plus the bonuses. If you missed them, watch the video again. I'm gonna put a link under this video with a link to the sign-up form so you can get everything registered for yourself. Block out the time on your schedule for November 17th, and that's 2018. Go ahead and get registered, and we'll see you on the 17th.